not married?
No!
I'm a hippie.
This is John Corbett. He plays my husband Ian in My Big Fat Freak Wedding. And what?
She was in a fabulous movie, the original My Big Fat Freak Wedding, that she wrote from her one-woman show.
What baby is that? Your hip is better.
I can fix it myself.
For me, it was easy to get back into the old rhythms of the character because we're friends. We're actually friends, so we know each other. It's easy. There are things that would happen, and John would say, hey, "Try it this way, baby," or "Do this," and it was like it's like being with a good friend to act together. And then, of course, when we do our makeout scenes, we laugh through them. Yeah.
What are you doing? You don't have a house to do that?
Oh my God. I had a lot of things I wanted to say with the new film. I think that the multi-generational aspect of my family is prevalent in most people's families. I think that people feel a responsibility to their children and to their parents. And I feel like when people have come up to me from Japan to Spain and said, I am too